Chicken tikka salad is a fusion recipe. Chicken tikka is everyone's favorite, right? So I have combined the regular chicken tikka with some healthy veggies, which makes it even more delicious. It also keeps you full for a long time. So let's see how we make it. First step is to marinate the chicken pieces. Add 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, 1 tablespoon chicken tikka masala, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix well. Goes in 150 grams boneless chicken cubes. Mix this nicely. And now I'm going to marinate this for 20 minutes. Once done, heat non-stick tawa, grease with some olive oil. Now place all the marinated chicken pieces. Cook this for 5 minutes on one side. Now turn and roast it till it becomes tender and brown. Once done, remove it in a bowl and set this aside. Next, I'm going to chop the lettuce and transfer this in a serving bowl. And next, I'm going to slice zucchini and add it to a serving bowl. Some chopped red bell peppers. Finely chopped pickled jalapenos. And now transfer these bell peppers to a bowl. And to this I'm adding the chicken tikka pieces. Goes in some finely chopped jalapenos. Sprinkle half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon crushed black pepper powder, 2 tablespoon olive oil. Now combine chicken with vegetables, toss well. Goes in 2 tablespoon tahini paste. Give this a mix. Add some walnuts, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and now again combine chicken with vegetables, toss well, and serve this healthy salad immediately. This chicken tikka salad is super healthy and delicious. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and try this chicken tikka salad and enjoy with your loved ones. If you want to serve to your kids, do add 1 cup of mayonnaise and a tablespoon of fresh cream. So guys, if you make recipes from our channel, make sure to post it and tag it on Instagram page shimis.kitchen and follow for more short recipes and updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care, stay healthy, and have a nice day.